You forgot the best part. This is how you eat an Oreo.
Twist.
Cravings don't wait. Neither should you.
Ang ilan sa kanila kulang sa vitamin D. Pero siya, kahit sagad sa hangin, matibay. Bear Brand lang ang gatas na may 100% vitamin D. Tibay na sagad sa buto. Bear Brand. Sakay na! Kasya pa buong pamilya dyan. Bigatin sa kita. Para mas masasabon, mas bigatin pa. Mas bigatin, kaya mas magulo.
Yes.
My son works hard.
Brush.
And at home, he used to suffer from pamamanhid at tusok-tusok. The doctor prescribed Neurobion. With 4 times B12 versus a generic B-vitamins brand, Neurobion helps relieve these symptoms of nerve damage.
Kasi Oliver?
It's a finger.
Kasi nagpagkabi si Sir Rapo. At ang sabi niya pa,
I saw
sa
this.
kanila daw si Aileen. Tanga kayo. So, anong ginagawa ninyo, ha? Kumilos kayo. Alam ka rin niyo yung Aileen na yung palabas ng korason. Hindi dapat makausap ni Eduardo yan, ha? Opo. Wala si Lolo. Kasi naman, bakit naman hindi kausap niya ng mga bisita?
So crunchy.
May multiple B-vitamins that help turn carbs into energy. Try
Mami, wala ko yun na yun.
Fishy.
Idol Cheese Dog, our cheesiest idol ever.
Okay.
Oh, brush.
Lack of growth nutrients can slow down bone growth. Give him Pediasure Plus with more growth nutrients versus regular milk to support strong bones and 1.5 times faster growth in 8 weeks.